Hello everyone, today we're gonna show you how to control the LED screen via NovaStar TB series player. There are 3 methods.
Option 1. USB cable. Power on TV player. Connect the TV player and the PC with a USB cable. Connect the TV player and the LED screen with an Ethernet cable. Open software Nova LCT and log in. Click Screen Configuration. Read back. Screen connection. Click Send to hardware. Save. Option 2. Wi-Fi. Ensure that the antenna is connected to the TV player. Connect the hotspot of the TV player. Open software Nova LCT and log in. Click Screen Configuration. Read back. Screen connection. Click Send to hardware. Save. Option 3. Ethernet cable. Connect the PC and the TV player with an Ethernet cable. Open Network and Internet settings. Click Change Adapter Options. Select the Ethernet network. Click Properties. Choose Internet Protocol version 4. Change the IP address. Open software Nova LCT and log in. Click Screen Configuration. Read back. Screen connection. Click Send to hardware. Save. Change the program. Open software Viplex Express. Click Solutions. Regular screen. Select a screen. Click Page List. Select a file to play. Click Publish.
Based on different installation solutions, you can choose different methods to publish the content. Hope today's video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.